In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to promote Fiverr affiliate links on X Twitter using free traffic without investing any money on paid ads. I'll share with you how you can find people who search for services and which services you should start promoting and so much more. Make sure to watch this video until the end if you want to start making some serious commissions with affiliate marketing using X Twitter. And let's get started. I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I'm making over $15,000 every single month, and just last month I made $21,274 in commissions with affiliate marketing using free traffic. In this video I'll share with you my method with Twitter, so pay close attention and let's get started. So first, for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So what you will do, super easy and simple, just go to Google, okay, and search for Fiverr like this. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Okay, so to create an affiliate account, just click here on join now, and here you go. You just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no, and choose your country, your location. It doesn't matter. You guys can start this business from any country, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and any country. Just search for your country here and choose your language. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. What you will do next, you need to start promoting services that people are already searching for. So what you will do, you will go and open your X account, your Twitter or X account, okay, it's the same. Open your X account like this, click here on the search and search for I need logo. Let me show you, okay? Search for I need logo, okay? Like this, okay? Pay close attention. Scroll down here and here you go. You will find people search for designer, for someone to make logos for them, like this one. Just posted this tweet today. I need logo. If we scroll down, I need logo designer. Here is another person. If we scroll, you can find people here searching for logo designer. Here is another person. I need logo designer. Just today, he posted this tweet today. You see this? If we scroll more, I need a logo for my business. Where are the artists? This one searching for logo designer. So what you will do for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you will go back to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search for logo design, okay? Search for this service that people are already searching for, and those people on X, they are ready to pay money. They want logo designer. They are searching for logo designer. So for you, search for logo design, scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here who provide this service on Fiverr. What you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers. How you can choose good sellers? Always choose like top rated seller, level 2 sellers, and top and pro sellers. Those sellers will be a good sellers for you, okay? If we scroll down here, we have a lot of sellers. We have, like, for example, like this one, I will design a timeless logo. We have also this one here, top rated seller. For example, I will choose this one, guys. I will click on his service like this. Just click on the seller service that you want to choose or that you want to use, and you will be directly in this seller profile page. What you will do next, you need to copy this seller profile link. Before we do that, you guys can see here that this seller is 100 order in queue, over 9,000 reviews, meaning that over 9,000 people already paid for this service, which is really good. People keep coming back, meaning that the seller is providing a good service for his customers. That's really good. So I will just copy the profile link of this seller. I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account and I will click here on dashboard. I have dashboard, marketing tools, reports. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on X. Okay, so let's go to X or Twitter, and for example I will choose this person. I need a logo for my business. I will click here on reply and I will send a friendly and professional reply with my affiliate link. So what you will do, you will, to create a good and a professional friendly reply that you can use to promote your affiliate link, go and use ChatGPT. Go to Google, search for ChatGPT. AI will help you to scale your affiliate marketing business, will give you a good replies that you can use. So I asked him, create a professional message that I can send to people who search for logo designer on X Twitter to buy my logo service from my website link. And here you go. I got this reply, which is amazing. I saw you are looking for logo designer. I offer high quality custom logos that make your brand stand out, professionals designs, fast delivery, good price. So I will copy this message. I will go back to X. I will put this message here, and over here I need to put my affiliate link. Okay, let me show you. So what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just started this business and you created a new account, you can see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have been doing this business for over 5 years, like I said in the beginning, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new, Fiverr Marketplace new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. This affiliate link is too much long. I like to make my affiliate links short links. You guys can go and search for this website to make them look clean and good. So just put your affiliate link here. You can click on shorten and you will get short affiliate link. Okay, and here you go. I will copy this link. I will go back to X and I will put this link here. Okay, I will click on reply and my reply will be sent to this person with my affiliate link. Okay, let me show you, and here you go. Your reply will be sent like this to this person who searched for logo designer. And for you guys, it's better guys to use a landing page or an affiliate website or a blog. Okay, and you can put your link here. Okay, if you don't want to use affiliate links directly on X Twitter, it's better for you to use a landing page or an affiliate website or a blog. And inside, for example, if you are using an affiliate website, inside your affiliate website, you can put all those services inside your website, and you can start promoting those services as an affiliate marketer using an affiliate website, and it's a safe way for you, and you will get clicks and you will make commissions using this method. I shared with you the method. That's how we can promote your affiliate links. That's how we can promote Fiverr affiliate link on X Twitter. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to take this business seriously, I want to personally invite you to join my exclusive course. I have created a step-by-step guide that shows you how I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from platforms like YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram and TikTok and Quora and so much more. You will get access to all my secrets, all my services. You will also get my support until you understand everything and more. If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will get back to you. I will put my email address in my YouTube description video, and see you in my next videos.